So for this website challenge, my theme was family consumer science, and I was doing child development, which is in that field. My pages are the home page, the fun activities, and the assignments within it, importance and contact of myself. So I incorporated these pictures because they all distribute the aspects of developing from being a fetus to a toddler to being an elder. And then there's a little bit about me, and then that's it for the first page. And then we have the second page. These are the fun activities, the main ones within, and there's a little bit of information about each, and then just a couple pictures that distribute the information of the taking of the baby, because there's not one of the virtual life itself because it is an online thing. And then assignments, it's basically just an overview of what is in the syllabus. So I have some stuff distributed and talk about more, and then the syllabus incorporates more details, but I wanted to pick these out because they were important information. And then the importance of the class, so like why is it going to benefit you, and then I list reasons right here, and then here are just the videos that kind of give an understanding of the milestones, and then also the fetus growing within the womb of the mother. And then the last page is just contact information of myself for students, and then a brief time check for the students of when they can contact me.